We are very honored and proud, privileged to have our college this in our college expo in this Goa Educate Show. Our college has established in the year 2003 with rural empowerment and women empowerment policy of our chairman, late Shivenkappa Yamagadi College. Our college has situated in 66 acres land with
We are happy to be announcing this, Goa Educate Show. We are hosting it for the fifth time in a row. This is the fifth year we are organizing this education expo, and the colleges from Karnataka, Maharashtra, even from Delhi and other places are taking part. The only intention is to help the Goan students to make, to choose the best career options under one roof.
First of all, I will tell you, I'm speaking on behalf of Sanjay Ghoda University. Formerly it was called as Sanjay Ghoda Group of Institutions. It's in Kolhapur. We are in 150 acres of land. And in just 7 years, we have reached a magic figure of 15,000 students. We have in engineering 2,500 students, MBA 300, Polytechnic 1,200, IIT we have 3,500, and we have got wonderful results, I tell you, everywhere.
Let me come to my college. It's located in Bangalore. It is 24 years old college. And we have students from 58 countries around the globe. In this exhibitors who have been assembled here, they are being supreme in their infrastructure for us to see. We have a lot of credentials in academics. We have academics starting from diploma to MTech.
I know and a lot of people in Goa do know. KLE, of course, Sanjay Ghodawat, Jain Engineering College, Vrindavan, ITM, ICFI, these are names that a lot of people in Goa do know. I'm glad that all of you are here. As I understand, there are, I think something like 15,000 people who finish Standard 12 plus 2 in Goa, and Goa doesn't offer as many opportunities, though I must say, as somebody who studied for many years in Goa, compared to the number of engineering colleges that you had and the number of medicine seats that you had 25 years back, Goa has progressed a hell of a lot since that